Hope you all are doing well. We are back with another video. This time topic is social insurance number or SIN, that is popularly called as. Uh, as you might know that while in Canada to work in any insurable field, you need a social insurance number and also to receive any kind of benefits from provincial or the federal government. So let's dive into the topic. Social insurance number. Did you know that you can apply social insurance number online? You can renew it. You can extend the validity. You can do n number of things on the SIN online. So you don't need to physically visit Service Canada for that purpose, because most of the time we have seen there are long queues in front of Service Canada offices, people waiting for a couple of hours to get their SIN or even to get it updated. So let's see how we can get it done online. One important aspect is, okay, you need to go to this site canada.ca and employment social development, under that services SIN. Simply, even if you Google it or use any browser internet search engine, just type in social insurance number, apply. That's all. The first website will first it will land to this website. There are no fee related to application of SIN, and you can submit a SIN application, requesting the SIN for first time, obtaining the confirmation of your SIN. If there is an error, you can get it corrected. Legal change of names, citizenship status, or any status updation on the SIN record. Also, for instance, your immigration documents dates expiry, you can get it updated. For instance, you came on study permit, and but now you are going on to pgwp or any kind of work permit, so you can get the, or even if you got your study permit renewed, so you can get those expiry dates updated on the SIN record. Yeah. uh, that's all on this one. But one important aspect I'll share with you guys is that treat SIN as you treat your finances or your credit card information. So this is kind of personal information. Don't share it with all. You have to share it with your employers. But yeah, it has to be confidential. So even this website mentions that to protect your personal information, never leave your computer or device unattended, and also don't carry your SIN number in your wallet and other places. So keep it to yourself. Minors also can apply for their own SIN. 12 years of age or older. So below 12 years, yeah, you won't be able to apply. Okay, so scroll down and then you get these radio options for apply for a SIN. So are you applying for yourself? Okay, maybe what I'll do is applying for yourself. Select your status in Canada, you're Canadian citizen, PR, or temporary resident. So maybe I'll select this option, temporary resident. How would you like to apply? Online. So documents required to apply. All the digital copies, they should be valid, not expired. Clear and legible in English or French. Yeah, in another language, it should not be. Or if it is there, then you need to have translation, notary translation for that. Okay, so we need three documents for this one. One is the primary identity document. Uh, it should be work permit issued by IRCC, or study permit issued by IRCC, or visitor record issued by IRCC. Yeah. So diplomatic identity card. So most of the people will fall under the first three categories. That is your primary identity document. Then you need a secondary document. That can be a passport, any Canadian or foreign passport, even provincial ID card or driver's license, Canadian driver's license, any other government issued ID. Yeah, so you can go with your passport, foreign passport also. Then you need a proof of address. It should be government, company, institution, organization, landlord also, or even employer. Could be a documentation or sorry, could be document or an attestation letter signed by the issuer. It should contain the name exactly that appears on the first two documents. So basically you need these three documents, any kind of address proof. So what I'll suggest, if you are new to Canada, you can have your lease agreement, or you can even have, if you have already appeared for your G1 examination, you can use that as proof of address. But yeah, it's mandatory, you need to have a proof of address in Canada. Supporting documents not required if you have all those three, but yeah, if there is any name difference, maybe your middle name is omitted in one of the documents, then you can have another some supporting document. Yeah. So once you have all those available with you, we can go to apply online. Okay, terms and conditions. Okay, this is mostly related to privacy disclaimers. Okay, I agree to terms and conditions. Yep, you click here. Okay, so it says you will have approximately 45 minutes to complete this application. If we are not able to complete the application in the allocated time, it will be discarded, it won't be saved. Yeah, so you have to start a new one. Application type. So if you are newcomer to Canada, maybe you will apply for your first social insurance number. In my case, what I'll do is change of the expiry date 900 series in. So if you are a student, work permit, doesn't matter which kind of work permit, it can be open work permit, it can be closed work permit, it can be pgwp, 900 series in. So yeah, those come with the validity. For instance, your initial work permit or study permit might be for 1 year duration, and then you extended your permit, so you change the expiry date. So let's do this one for here. Then you add in your applicant's information: first name, your family name, and your date of birth. Phone number is mandatory if they need to reach you out for any kind of clarification or information. Language, I'll select English here. Then let's go here, applicant's family name at birth, add on here. Any other names if you had previously used. Parents given names, family names. And then this is second parent, so this is not mandatory, you can even give one parent's name, but yeah, so you can give the both parents name. And then you put in your gender, applicant status in Canada, so I'll use temporary resident here. Please indicate the type of primary identity document you will submit, so maybe I'll put work permit. You can select study permit or whatever it is. Applicant's birthplace, city, town. If it is out of Canada, you need to mention the city, country, and the province or state. Within Canada also, same procedure. Primary identity document expiry date, you put in what is the date printed on your primary identity document, work permit, study permit, or PR card. Legal representative you have, then click yes, otherwise no. Okay, if you have previously social insurance number, I'll say yes, I had, and then you need to add the 9-digit number for the social insurance. Okay, coming on to the left side, mailing address, care of, okay, it'll be the applicant name, apartment or suite number or unit number and street, city, village, country, territory, postal code. So once you fill in all this information, you'll click here and go to next. Since I haven't filled up that information, so I won't be able to go ahead. But once you click next, you will be landing to a page where it will be asking you to upload all those three documents. Yeah, so that's all. I mean, there is nothing much descriptive in here. Nowhere to write on the comments or something. Once you fill in this information, then you accept the privacy statement, and then you go to the next page and upload the documents, three documents that we have discussed before. So only one thing is that if you're applying online, it takes around 2 weeks for the application to process. But one point they say is that once you have applied for SIN, there will be a confirmation email, and you can start working immediately. So you don't need actual confirmation letter or actual SIN letter. You can start working in any insured sector, in any organization, and with any employer on the basis of confirmation of SIN, and that information is available on the same website, Service Canada website. I think that's all for today's video. If there are any questions, comments, please do let me know. I'll try to give you more information and details about that one. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And then, yeah, I'll get back to you with another video. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.